my channel. Now today I'm going to show you 3 different ways of cleaning makeup brushes. So we have some dirty makeup brushes here which need to have a proper clean, and then I have 2 different products. One which is the Bare Minerals Quick Change Brush Cleaner, and the next one is Solid Brush Cleaner by Revolution. And then the other thing that I will be using is just some bog standard shampoo. So we have 3 different levels of cost here. Shampoo being the cheapest. Obviously you can literally buy shampoo for like 99p. Then Revolution, and then the Bare Minerals Quick Change Brush Cleaner. Now this is my favourite and I will show you why, but first of all, let's start off with the basic shampoo. So all you need to do is open up the shampoo and then just squirt a small amount on the side of your sink. Now it's time to choose a brush. Okay, let's go for this brush here. This is a little concealer brush, so you should be able to see a lot of the colour come out quite quickly. So get your brush, put a little bit of water on it, like so. And then here we have the shampoo, and you literally just look at that, all of that colour coming out. Just swirl it round, rinse it off a little bit. You can see all that foundation or concealer coming out, and just keep going until the water runs clear. There you have it. That is one clean concealer brush. And then obviously you have to leave it to dry, which is a little bit annoying, but you know, it's the kind of activity you sit down in the afternoon, decide to clean your makeup brushes, and then they'll be dry by the next day. So that is the first technique I have for cleaning makeup brushes, and you don't have to go out and buy anything fancy to do it, and it's very effective. So next up, let's save my favourite till last. Let's use this Solid Brush Cleaner by Revolution. So you open this up, and here you have this sort of clay, waxy substance. So let's choose another brush. Let's go for this brush here. This has got a lot of contour powder on it because that is what I use it for. So it's gonna go brown. So basically you wet the brush first. Wet the brush. Then once you've wet the brush, get your pot, get the damp brush, and you swirl it. There we go, look, you can see all of the powder. Ew, look at that. Honestly, that is quite impressive. So I'm now just gonna rinse that brush off again to sort of get the excess off. I'm also gonna use a little bit of tissue to just wipe. Look at all of that. Honestly, it's so important to clean your makeup brushes because you may think that they are clean, but this is grim, and all you're doing is just putting old product back on your skin, which is not good for it. But look, you can see it's still coming out really brown, so this is obviously caked in powder. But yeah, so it's really simple, and as you can see, this is very effective and it will last a long time. There's a lot in here, and you don't really use much of it as you're cleaning it. I would argue that this takes longer than the shampoo technique because you have to keep rinsing it out. Whereas the shampoo technique, you're kind of doing it all at the same time. But it is super effective and works really well. So let's just wipe that around. There we go. We have another clean brush. Again, this brush is wet, so it now needs to be left to dry. So finally, my favorite product, the Quick Change Bare Minerals Brush Cleaner. I adore this product, and reason being that you can clean your brushes as you are doing your makeup and still continue to use the same brush. Hence the Quick Change title. Now this is brilliant if you're wanting to do an eye makeup look, because I don't know about you, but I have quite a few makeup brushes, but I have a very select few that I actually love using, and I just want to use them again and again and again, even within the same look. So whilst you're doing your makeup, I tend to have a piece of kitchen roll next to me. Today I'm just going to show you with a little bit of toilet roll. So I have picked out a brush that I deliberately did not clean last time I did my eyeshadow. As you can see, this brush has lots of red eyeshadow in it. This is a brush that I use a lot for eyeshadow looks, so it regularly needs cleaning, and all you do is get your spray, and I'm actually running out, which is a bit of a nightmare. I'm gonna have to get some more. You've got your bit of kitchen towel or tissue or whatever. Get the spray and just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my gosh, it's actually running out. Get your brush. Look, that is already coming off. This is very challenging to do one-handed. Let's just show you like this. So you've got your spray and you just get your brush and do this on the spray. And once you think that all that spray has been used, look at all of that colour just coming out. Hit it again. There we go, there's a proper spray that time. And I tend to place the brush on its side so that I'm not like proper jabbing it. You don't want to ruin the bristles. And as you can see, all of the eyeshadow is just lifting. Now, that was super quick and easy. Look at the brush. The red has gone. If I was actually doing my makeup, I'd have this and I'd just keep doing this until it ran completely clear. Because as you can see, the more I'm manipulating the brush round, the more eyeshadow is gradually coming up. But most of it is already off. And now, let's see. There we go. It is pretty much completely clean. The reason why this is absolutely incredible is because the brush is dry. You clean it using this spray and the brush is dry and you can literally use it again straight away. It is absolutely amazing. Bare Minerals, thank you for inventing this product. I absolutely love it. I honestly think it is a must-have, especially if you are into doing big eyeshadow looks. This is just a must. And it's so much less faff. You can literally be cleaning your brushes as you're doing your makeup, so there's no need for these brushes to get all clogged up with loads of disgusting makeup, old makeup, and then having to do a massive session of just cleaning them. You literally can clean them as you go, and then when you're finished, give it a quick swish around, pop them back in, and they're clean. It's a game changer, it really is. I absolutely love it. So there you go. I now have 3 clean brushes. Quick little video for you here, but I hope you found it useful and helpful. If you did, please like, please subscribe, and I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.